Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you had a great weekend. Last week in class we left off talking about experiments and specifically hypotheses. Can anybody recap what a hypothesis is for me?
The hypothesis is an educated guess about what you think the outcome may be.
Exactly. So it's a prediction about what we think will happen. So we're going to dive a little deeper into an experimental design and what goes into creating an experiment. Specifically, we're going to talk about the factors or the variables that make up an experiment. The independent variable is a variable that we as the experimenters manipulate or alter. The dependent variable is the outcome, or is the data collected as a result of the independent variable. So I set up a little hands-on experiment for you guys today. If you can go ahead and put the soil into each of your pots and then plant your seed in the soil. Okay. All right, that's good. So we have two identical pots filled with soil and a seed. So what does a seed need to grow?
Water.
Yeah, exactly. So these are identical, okay? But we as the experimenter are gonna manipulate one thing, and that is exposure to sunlight, okay? So that, again, is the independent variable, because we are manipulating this variable. So one pot will be put in a dark room. The other pot will be somewhere where it receives the appropriate amount of light, okay? Again, sunlight being the independent variable. After about 3 weeks, we'll come back and we'll compare these two pots, and we will see the difference in plant growth. And this is the dependent variable. It is the outcome based on the independent variable. Okay? So just to recap, we have the two pots, they're identical. They have soil, they have seed. Both of them are getting the same amount of water, okay? So this is the water. So this one on the left here will not be altered. So we're going to call this one the control. However, the one on the right will receive sunlight. Again, the independent variable, because we are manipulating its exposure to sunlight. So this is the independent variable. So after about 3 weeks, like we said, we're going to come back. We're going to look at these pots and compare their growth. And their growth is the dependent variable. Now, to solidify this information, I've created a song for you guys. I have it written up here so you guys can read along. And here, let's start a little beat here. Ready? Ready? When designing an experiment, think of what you need. A thing to change, a thing to watch, maybe you'll succeed. First ID the variables, choose the ones you'll vary. These are called independent, nothing too scary. Next in line, we will see the differences in outcome. Dependent variables, simply said, show us data and then some. Yay! So I hope you guys learned a lot, and I will see you next week in class.
Thank you.
Thank you.